Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I wanted to try this infinity pour again. And I figured I'd follow in my daughter's footsteps and do basically cool colors versus warm colors. So on this side we're just doing white, blue, and green. Lots of white. And then on the other side, we're doing just 3 colors as well, black, yellow, and red. Okay, so that's good for that side. And all colors are mixed with Floetrol and water. That's a lot of black. And these are all Artist Loft Flow acrylics, except for that green, which is a Blick acrylic. Anyways, and it's the acrylics from Blicks. Okay. Good. Now, last time I went in. This time I'm going to try going out, and let's give this a go. I kind of liked how my daughter did this, like, really fast at the end. I don't know how kids are so much better at this. Anyways, not bad though. And these colors look like they're going to be very interesting together, at least so far. So we'll go ahead and tilt. I'm going to do Sierra's new wave swirl tilt here. My daughter cracks me up. And for any of you who are new to my channel, Sierra is my daughter. And I learn a lot about painting from her. She doesn't have inhibitions like a lot of adults have, including myself. Sometimes trying to be a little too perfect maybe. And she just kind of goes for it, you know? That is amazing. I was really worried about those colors together, but oh my goodness, that is friggin' gorgeous. Like, I don't know about you guys, but oh my goodness, like I'm astounded. I think that's like one of the prettiest things I've ever seen. Oh, yay. Okay. So I'm going to let this sit here for a minute. We just see if anything develops or moves. I don't think it's going to change too much, but we'll be right back in just a minute or so for our close-up. Okay, we're back. We did end up actually having some cells pop up through there, but otherwise pretty much the same. Oh my god, just this section right here is so pretty. All right, we're gonna do our close-up. So starting with the lower right hand corner. So just the way that this technique mixes the paint colors but doesn't mix them, you know what I mean? This is the upper right hand corner, so you can see both paint combos in there, but they're not like mixed and muddied. And look at this section. This is just gorgeous. So it's the upper left hand corner. Over here coming down to the lower left hand corner. You can see even the runoff down there is super pretty. I'm going to try to see if I can save that. Good thing it's on parchment paper. so I can probably use it for some jewelry. And there is our overall shot again. So there you guys go. I just needed a little more practice to get the technique down. This one came out way better than the last one. Let me know if you've tried this technique yet. If anything, it is a lot of fun. It does take coordination, and for this time it also seemed like the outside, going to the outside instead of inside, worked a lot better, the whole wax on wax off method. So anyways, I love this. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you tried it, and I'll see you guys next time.